Today, I'm going to show you 10 things every mountain biker should have. Obviously, zip ties. You can get a pack like this for just $2 at your local hardware store. You can use them to keep your cables organized on your handlebars. You can also keep your cables organized on your top tube. Just make sure not to get the shifter cables wrapped up like I did. Multi-tools. They are reliable and pocket-sized for trailside repair. You can get this multi-tool at your local Rite Aid for cheap. Or you can spend a little more on this one, which I got off Amazon. Everything you see will have a link in the description. This is my Giro fixture helmet. This helmet can literally fit anyone. It will set you back about $50, but I think it's a win. When I go down this trail, I can feel the ventilation work. The air flows through the helmet and it feels really nice. This is my Demon Podium full face helmet. The design is awesome. It will set you back about $100. Just follow the sizing guide and you're good. This helmet has great ventilation. It's nice when I go down this steep, technical trail. This is my hydration pack. It is not spacious, but it works. A hydration pack will hold just enough food, tools, and water. A regular hydration pack costs about $100, but I got mine on sale for $36. Mine holds my first aid kit, my tube repair kit, and of course a snack for the ride. It will also hold my 2 multi-tools I take with me everywhere. It will also carry all the parts I need for my action camera. To access the water bladder, you have to zip down these 2 zips and then unbuckle the buckle. Then there's another buckle you have to unbuckle. Then pull up this flap and pull out the water bladder. My water bladder is made out of a tough, rubbery substance. It holds about 2.5 liters of water and it's really hard to open. Another thing a mountain biker will need is lube. Lube will keep your chain running forever. This lube is green and it's really nice to use. A good pair of goggles will keep mud out of your eyes. Mine are Oakley's and they will set you back about $40. Lock-on grips are great. They are easy to put on and take off. They will not slip ever. Mine are ODI Ruffians, and this will set you back about $15. They are very grippy. Have you ever considered a shorter stem? Mine is 45 millimeters and it's made by Bevel. You will have way more control on the trails. My Kona platform pedals are awesome. The pegs are very grippy and strong. Your feet will never move or slip. Any platform pedal will cost you about $30 to $50. So there you have it. 10 products a mountain biker should have. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.